Hi guys, so this is my analysis update on gold, guys. What am I expecting on gold? I'm expecting I was gonna do a quick recap on gold, right? The last time I analyzed gold, I think gold was around this area right here, and I said I'm still predicting gold to at least push up to right here, which is where I place my stuff. I said I still predict gold to get to this level right here. So let's see how gold is playing currently. Like, I think we're definitely on a buy on gold. Let's go to a bigger time frame just to see. The last time I analyzed, gold was just being kind of choppy. To be honest, we can see it was just being choppy. So but we can see that I said, let me go back to there. Let's see, you can see, because I say we're going to push to the upside line, we know that the market doesn't just go on a straight line, so it's giving us something like an impulse, a sort of a correction, and possibly a continuation to push to 2062.50, because that is like my first target on gold, guys. So as you can see how this is playing, let me just see overall on how that plays out. We can see that we have several imbalances right here, so we might still push down here to feel the imbalance in a bigger time frame, feel the imbalance, then push to the upside, right? There's also here to probably come down here to the zone. So those are like points of interest. This will be my point of interest. The way it works around this here will determine if we're still gonna push a little bit low to retest this zone right here. But we might just come down here to feel this imbalance and push up, or still push down a little bit to retest the zone, because we can see there is this break of structure around the zone right here before we continue to push to the upside. But overall, I think we're gonna push to the upside on gold, guys, because it's giving. So now we can see that the momentum gold is giving is definitely a buy, even in a bigger time frame, right? So let's see how that plays. I'm gonna go to a little bit smaller time frame, and let's see. I'm gonna use my fib on this one just to see an impulse. You can see this as an impulse and a possible correction. Perfect. Let me change. Let's see. For us. Okay. Go like this and an impulse. We can see that my negative 27% fib level, it's very close to my overall targets, which is beautiful. So now we can see that right here we're rejecting off of the 50% fib level, so we might reject around that area, then push to the upside, or there's a possibility that we might push down to my 78.6% fib level, a deeper level, before we continue to push to the upside. So those are like both scenarios that I have right now. Let's see. Let's see. So those are what I'm looking at. So if I have two scenarios right here, I can draw a line right here just to show that before we continue to buy here, if we want to be more conservative, right? I think because we can see we rejected off of like a fib level, which is the 50% fib level. So those are like a reversal point. So there's a possibility that we might just continue to push higher because we rejected around that area right there. So but before I buy, right, like I said, I will want a break of retest before I buy. So I want something like this. I want it to come here, retest this contractual line, give me a possible retest for us to know that we're still going to continue to push to the upside. And my target would definitely be around 262.70, definitely around that area right there. But like I said, anything can happen. We don't predict the market, react to the market. I see imbalances around this area right here, which is around my 78.6% fib level or my 88.6% fib level. So there's a possibility that we might actually still just come here, test this trend line, come down here to my deeper level retracement, and continue to push to the upside. So that's another scenario that I'm seeing right now. That's why I used to say that we have to be open-minded when we are predicting the market, because anything can happen. Yes, overall I think you're on an uptrend, but we have two scenarios right here. So I think before we have to take anything on gold right now, let's be patient to see what next. That's my goal, because we might still push down more a little bit depending on how it reacts around this counter trend line. If I see like more weak rejections around this counter trend line and I see like an engulfing candle, then I can see there's a possibility that we might still push down a little bit before we now go to our overall target right there. Or if I see an engulfing candle close up this counter trend line right here, and I see a sort of like a continuation of the bull run, that the bull is still in the market, then I'll possibly ride it to my target right around here. So let's put this one here just to show that right, yeah. So that is my thought on gold, guys. Let's be patient and see how the market reacts before we take any trade. And like I used to say, don't forget to be open-minded. If anything happens apart from how we see it right now, just to reanalyze based on that current market. You can't know the market, right? The market doesn't follow you, you follow the market. So always remember that. That's a quick reminder. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys, and I will see you in my next analysis. Thank you for watching. Bye.